Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis several times in the past, so that is where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But after 1 day of consolidation on Thursday, the price is right back at it, putting in new highs once again today. So first thing before any updates, just going to do some house cleaning. Going to go ahead and get rid of that line. Sure, that level still pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this, an analysis as clean as possible moving forward. First update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So the newest area and what I would call the ideal level going into next week is going to be right up there at the $4 mark. $4 being, the ideal area, meaning, hey, Clay, what make this chart look the best? Certainly if the price can stay up above that area. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price, goes below that, that doesn't mean the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to somehow stay up above there, that would definitely be a massive sign of strength going forward. Looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that's where the purple line continues to play its role, that being the 50-period moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So as I've said many times in the past, I'm going to continue to say, the most straightforward way to just gauge the overall health of the move, this right here being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price continues to stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Yes, staying above 4 would be great, but just staying above that purple line keeps the bulls 100% in control. What about levels of resistance? Well, for this, we've got to once again go back to the daily time frame, because we are going way back into this chart's history in order to find these levels, which is certainly a good problem to have. So where is this next level of resistance? Looking back here, next key battleground to watch going forward is going to be that former area of support, which sits right there at, we'll just call it $4.50. So $4.50, next key overall battleground going into next week, but absolutely crazy move the past several days. And as long as the price keeps on chipping away at those higher bases, that's what you want to see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.